Hey guys, it's me and Rose back with another unboxing video. You may hear that, guys, but today we're going to be, not really unboxing.
Drum roll. That.
It's my keyboard and mouse on my PC. So I got it. It came in the mail today when I was just relaxing.
We're not going to tell you the other surprise for his birthday because we're going to.
I don't even know, guys, because obviously it's my birthday. It's not mechanical; it's just normal, and this plugs in to your PC and anything like Xbox, anything but except phone. And as you see, guys, it has that, and I can plug this in to the USB right now. Wait, just need to get the right thing.
Yeah.
Let me just plug this in. As you see, guys, I've rearranged my room. You may see that. And
yeah, we did that like a couple of.
Alright, I've plugged it in, and you may think, why is it not glowing up? Is it not glowing up? Wait. It is a glowing up, guys. You just have to click a button right here, and it glows up, and everything is so nice.
It's the middle button on the three little really long words.
And you have like these mini stands here, and then you put it down, and it stands. You can see it right there.
And you can see it when he's gaming, so you can see his thing.
As you see, guys, I've got my setup right here, and I've got my mouse.
It came with a mouse, actually. Shall I go and unplug it?
Yeah, you go and get that. She's just gonna go and get that 1 minute.
I'll show you.
Hey guys, we're back, and this is the mouse that it comes with.
And
it's terrible. Like
it's
this one,
it's okay if you like it.
If you like it, but like the thing is, this one has mouse buttons for the thumb. This just has a DPI button,
and it glows up in different colours like this one. The mouse.
It's a Jedi one. It just comes with a keyboard, but I think it's got RGBs.
It's okay if you don't have a mouse, then it's good.
But I've just got this for my laptop because like my editing and stuff, but I can't edit this video because, you know, guys. And the thing is, it doesn't have any mouse buttons, so if you want to like get out in,
we might try to do the intro, but if it doesn't work,
I'm just gonna give this. I'm gonna put this on my thing. So I'm just gonna show you the glow up, guys. I don't even have any much USBs left. Right, let me just put this in. It glows up red like my other one, but this one, it goes like multicolored. Like it goes over this and like stuff like that. When you click the DPI, yeah, you see that, guys? It goes all.
I like that colour.
But this one, it goes red.
Look at that colour. It's like they was a purple.
I don't really like it, guys. Like it doesn't have any mouse buttons, so I'm starting on Fortnite, so there's actually no point of me even doing that right now.
I'm just gonna person on the keyboard because we just got it today.
On creative, I was 1v1ing people on creative Phil, and I've got 10 kills. And I'm actually getting really good at my editing and stuff. My edit button's F, if you guys are wondering, on PC. And yeah, it works on Xbox and PS4.
It types on YouTube. It goes up on the arrows and down and sideways, and it always. I think how you pause the video is you double tap the space bar.
Oh, I actually clicked on a video. Anyway, guys, so
coronavirus.
I'm not sure if I will leave the link for this keyboard in the description because, like, I don't know.
By the way,
don't want to do that.
We did wipe the box down before we touched it and stuff, and we washed our hands.
I literally, as soon as it came in the mail, I ripped it open. Like, I was so excited.
No, you washed it, then you ripped it.
I ripped it open as soon as that happened, and then literally I saw a box with a keyboard, and I was like, "Oh my gosh, my keyboard!"
Your eyes. You. If it was like your birthday present, then you.
Like this mouse kind of feels cheap, like. But this one kind of feels very expensive.
Wait,
it kind of feels really cheap.
Ah, true. This is light.
But I like a heavier one because this thing is like a thing. And for my birthday, I'm not allowed to unbox this present till my birthday, but I'm getting this giant mouse mat that covers the whole desk instead of this
little one.
Still so
we just
small
got it for now.
I got that for Christmas because I want my PC for Christmas. And yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, turn on notification bells, and
to not miss another video, and subscribe and like, and
you heard
all
it,
of that.
And this is the keyboard one final look, and without further ado, bye guys.